Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I just want to show you a fun little project I've been working on. It's the LEGO Arctic Air Transport drone. I got the LEGO parts for this drone from a couple of buddies of mine for Christmas, and inside there was a note that said make it fly. So I did, and the flight video is in the end. All the parts that I used to build the drone are from other previous builds, so this is a kind of a Frankenstein build. Kind of hard with one hand. Here you go. So it's an F4 flight controller and 20 amp ESC. I think these two came from a Tyro 69. In the back here I got an video transmitter. Oh, come on. There you go. So it's TBS VTX and Immersion RC Ghost. In the front there is the camera on a Lego block, and the batteries go in here. I use two 450 3S batteries in parallel. That gives it enough power for 3 minutes max. I'm sorry to say to all Lego enthusiasts that I had to use some glue. If I didn't, I think the whole thing would just shake apart mid-flight, and that would be bad. I drew and 3D printed the holder for the flight controller and the ESC. I removed the windshield to let the air inside to cool the parts. As for motors, I used some Brother Hobby 1507 3600 kV motors. And propellers, I used some 4-inch Gemfan propellers. I tried first with some 5-inch, but they were too big and overlapped too much, which caused a great deal of oscillation. But 4-inch seems to be okay. I also made this piece to hold a Insta360 Go 2, which fits in the back, like so. It flies horribly with this attached, but it makes for some nice video. The motor wires go in here. I had to cut off a nub to make them fit inside. If you're a builder and want to try something different, I would highly recommend this project. It's quite fun and different. One thing I would do differently though, I would not glue the motors in place. If they break now, I can't change them. So I would recommend making the screws go through the entire thing. Okay, it's time for some flight video. Thank you for sticking through my horrible English. See you again and goodbye.
it ended.